would you sacrifice your happiness for the person you love the most?
Of course.
You really?
I
You'll
think-
sacrifice your happiness?
I think yes. Kasi kagaya yung sabi ko sa'yo dati, diba? Parang for me, love is sacrifice.
Okay.
And I think, of course, syempre we're now at an era naman talaga na people are encouraged to love themselves. Syempre ako, I really value happiness of other people. Actually,
More than your happiness.
More than mine.
But how about your happiness?
When I see them happy, I'm happy.
So you're willing to sacrifice that kasi makukuha mo din yung happiness?
Yes, pag masaya sila. Second na lang ako. Doon na lang. To follow na lang.
Grabe siya talaga.
To change the game.